And where do you usually work from? You work from the office, from home, from cafes?
I For the last almost a year, I always work from home. I built a nice setup here. I invested some money, and now I feel great here. I mean, I have the best ergonomics. I never get back pain or feet pain or hands or whatever. I don't get any pain because I set up my desk and everything, and chair and everything in an ergonomic way. I think this is the number one priority when you have the setup. um, that's why I work at home. um, and yeah, this the problem with this is if you are traveling, then when you are used to your great setup, it will be a bit awkward, a bit weird when you're traveling and when you have to be maybe in bed with your laptop or on some shitty chair and desk. And that's I like to be a bit more flexible with this, but I'm doing the best of my situation right now. Even though this year I traveled like 10 times or whatever, when I'm here, when I'm home, I'm always on my desk working, and it works pretty nice with good ergonomics and with good setup. Now I can work like 10 hours straight without any problem. I just need food, and I need to exercise sometime during the day, but I can be very productive with this.
Interesting. So now you make me a bit of jealous because I'm living like the digital nomad life. So obviously I cannot like set a desk and everything. And yeah, but it's a bit cons. I would say that I do have like back pain sometimes because sometimes I work from cafes, sometimes I work from home, sometimes I get to an apartment where I have a desk and a nice setup. Sometimes I work from the sofa. So it's definitely a disadvantage. And yeah, but maybe like signing up to an office like WeWork or something like this might solve this kind of issue. But you make me think now because I do. Yesterday, actually, I went to do massage just because I had a back pain,